What's up, weirdos? Welcome to the DillamillaShow. It's Svetlana and AJ. Today we're showing you guys 3 things not to do if you're rolling with a pretty lady like me.
Number 1 is going to be the boob grab.
You bastard.
When I'm in their close guard, you want to have good posture, but you do not want to put your hands right here. There it is, Ted. When I'm in their close guard, you want to have good posture, but you do not want to put your hands right here. You definitely do not want to be creepy and smell them.
And 3.
Number 3 is going to be getting an erection. You're not getting erect, is that what it is? Number 3, yeah. Do not use your other hand when going against another female. Hey girl, you wanna roll?
Not with this thing. Stay tuned for the next video. If we get 50,000 likes, we'll upgrade in a wig. Hey, didn't we match on Tinder?
What?